Hi.
Have you guys been here before?
No, so we're like looking
Oh
like.
yeah, so we're at First Greek Yogurt shop. It's all self-serve, so we have these little bowls,
Okay.
waffle bowls over here. It's all $1.35 an ounce. We
Okay.
have a small topping bar over there. If you folks did see any flavors you wanted to try, I have little sample cups I can help you out.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it'll be so with the bowl, I can help you out with that one. It's gonna be the $8. So then I would help to pour
I
the stuff
see,
in
I see.
it, and then as far as for the topping for the nut and the fruit, it's interchangeable. So like if you didn't want any of the fruit, then you can get 2 of the nuts, or if you didn't want any of the nuts, you could do 2 fruits.
Well, let's do that.
So yeah, it's
That and get 2 fruit.
Okay. Can we get the waffle bowl and we'll have you do that, I guess.
Yeah, just one of the bowl is okay.
Yeah. We're gonna
share.
try it. Yeah.
And then which were the ones you wanted to do?
Strawberry and blueberry. Okay.
Oh.
Okay, thank you folks
Thank
so much.
you.
Have a great day.
Thank you. Just when it gets lower.
Yeah.
Oh, I know. You can spread this into it. Yeah.
It's good, yeah.
It is good. Thank you. That was so good. We're totally gonna come back. Yeah.
You could just sell it like that, like a cookie.
Yeah, it's really good, right?
I thought it was gonna be more messy, but it was like kind of held it together. So yeah, it was really good.
That waffle bowl is really good.
Thank you. Yep. We'll see you again. Bye.